Shabnaz Inamda from Computer Department, and I want to say that Sandeep Institute has a scenic beauty. It's not only about this scenic beauty, it has wet and cool weather. Also, it has sunny and beautiful weather.
Every day there are thousands of students we see with different ambitions, but we are the number of students for whom this campus was a dream.
Whether it's the right place for you or you belong here, all your questions will be answered in this campus.
Apart from technical learning, Sandeep Institute is a perfect place for all artists because we have a hobby club. They organize concerts and gigs by the students for the students. When I look back at myself, it was really horrible because I was the guy who could not even interact with my classmates. And right now, I can control thousands of audience of any event.
I had dreamt big, and to achieve this dream, I need a true determination, which Sandeep gave me. I couldn't feel more natural to call Sandeep as my home.
Sandeep University is the first university to focus on developing and exploring the cosmetic products. Here, we have a great opportunity to discover a whole new world of colors and perfume. Sandeep University is committed to fulfill the needs of society in cosmetic research, manufacturing, production.
Cricket, we have football, we have many friends, Indian friends. We play with them in ground floor.
We learned that we could endure much more work than we thought we could. Due to the football team and our college, I learned to develop new skills in footballs.
Education is the most important part in one's life. The best part of education is its beginning. Sandeep University not only makes sure to give us excellent beginning but also provides us with world-class facility throughout our educational time.
And the faculty who are always backing up us with their knowledge and always increasing our curiosity. Sandeep Foundation does not only give you a chance to explore the academic freedom but also give you a chance to explore the extracurricular activities. You can go in other events, and there are events which are happening in our own college like IAM and Texcellence, where you can explore different qualities in yourself and prove yourself. Sometimes you get to participate and other times you get to manage the events. So that's how you grow up in all fields, from technical to non-technical.
People can think that university is something stressful at all, but here is not. We have a beautiful campus and we have more than 30 clubs that encourage our talents, like we can sing, we can dance, we can enjoy it all. We have a football ground and volleyball. It is so much enjoyable.
Sandeep Institute provides cultural nights, celebrity nights, and DJ parties for making your college life interesting and fun-filled.
I realized that time flies so fast. So here we can find ourselves. The place is good for us, it's quiet, so we can study and do whatever we need with our Indian friend. This is Sandeep University, it's good for us.
Hi, my name is Omar Dahaba. I come from Guinea-Bissau, West Coast of Africa. So coming here, it's very difficult for us. You stay alone differently with your families. And we coming here, we start other life. We found our home in Sandeep University.
And we found our home at Sandeep Institute.
And I finally found my home in Sandeep University.
My home in Sandeep Institute. Finally, I found my home in Sandeep Institute.
Sandeep University, our home.
I found my home at Sandeep Institute.
I have finally found my home at Sandeep University.
And this is what future looks like.